this is a nice segue, Dr. Drew, to address some questions around uh, the best sort of duration of sessions and taking breaks between programs or missions. Could people overtrain? So within the design, we have cool downs. But what are your thoughts on that, sort of more generally? What's your advice?
Well, let me give you a bit of my kind of experience over the years. There's different times for different frequencies. So let's say we're doing a focus frequency, right? An SMR type. Um, 20 to 30 minutes seems to be optimal for that. And when you go beyond that, you get a lower return on investment in that. Doesn't mean you're not going to get anything out of it, but keep it sharp, 20 to 30 minutes, and you're going to get a lot out of it without using a lot of excessive time training that. Now with alpha, you can train that a little bit longer, 30, 40, even up to an hour, and get great benefit from that. The time in between is going to be essential too. So my advice is clinically is to look at the upper frequencies, the focus and intense focus as focus time, spend it about 20 to 30 minutes, and then the lower frequencies, anywhere from, you can do a 15-minute to an hour in that, and just find that sweet spot for the meditative process that those bring about. Now, time in between, let's talk about that. Um, Generally, you want a day in between some of these. If you're doing lower frequencies, you can do it a little bit more. But like with SMR or focus and intense focus, you want to just have about a day in between. And let's say you finish a mission, you want to take a few days off, not too much, but not too little either. And then you can start the next mission depending on what you want to go on. Within the brain, there's a electrophysiological mechanism of how fast you adapt, and it's very quick. Then you have the physiological aspect of, hey, the neurons are growing, they're connecting, they're doing this. That takes longer. So giving them that respite, giving them that few days of rest in between missions, will let them grow optimally during that time without taxing them. And making sure your sleep is on course and your nutrition is on course, too, are two big factors going into this. Hopefully that will clear up the time mechanisms for
Yeah,
that.
yeah, I think so. I think so.